Budapest and beyond! In totalitarian regimes, anyone that shows even the slightest amount of dissent, or anyone that does not show 100% loyalty, can sometimes disappear without a trace. So, when a comedian within a totalitarian regime makes it the basis of his comedy to satirize, scrutinize, and sometimes even roast the government, you could say that this comedian had a nice set of bowling balls. Hofi Géza was the highlight of Hungarian cabaret for decades. He never followed any pattern or trend. He was always following his own trail. His unique performances made him the most popular comedian of his time in Hungary. Hofi was popular for his parodies of the Hungarian communist state. It was a fine balance between discharging his audience's frustration with the system and being perceived as criticizing the totalitarian regime. But Hofi never held back, and he had to spend a few nights in prison on numerous occasions. Strolling through the theater district in Budapest, you will certainly see a wonderful statue that might remind you of Hamlet. With that Shakespearean image in mind, this sculpture is titled Statue of Theater. But those that know the history also call this the Hofi statue, or even the Dance with Death. This bronze statue by artist Géza depicts the skeleton of a woman holding the head of the famous comedian in its hand. The head of Hofi, in the midst of this dance with death, smiles and looks away, unperturbed. The death of Hofi Géza created an enormous vacuum in Hungarian comedy. This statue and the comedian it represents are still much loved. And it's a common consensus that there will probably never be another comedian like him.